So reach out to the dentist beforehand and schedule the hours that you're available to come in, as long as how long you're able to come in. So half day, full day, after lunch, stuff like that. You also want to see if there's anything else that you need to provide, especially based on different COVID regulations at the time. Bring a notepad, but do make sure that you ask the dentist beforehand if this is okay with them. Some patients may not be super comfortable with you kind of taking notes, even if you're taking proper confidentiality into consideration. So Dr. Bruce, when is it appropriate to ask questions? So specifically, what can you ask when the patient's in the chair, and what is better to ask when the patient isn't there?
You can pretty much ask about anything about the case ahead of time, but just keep in mind, what does patient confidentiality mean? Because this is certainly going to be one of your interview questions. You're going to be definitely assessed on this aspect throughout your career in even dental school. And this is one area that could get you into a lot of trouble if you never want to use the patient's name when you're outside of the office. And of course, if you want to post photos of patients, definitely a no-no unless you're a professional, like a dentist showing a case.
So these are some more procedural questions. So, the indications for treatment, what leads you to a certain diagnosis, how do you develop a treatment plan, other options, and then you could just discuss advantages of specific materials over another. So then when the patient's not there, you can ask some more personal questions. So they kind of show that you're thinking critically about the profession and you want to know more about your dentist mentor and how they find the career. So you can ask what they like most, what they don't like. One of my favorite ones is, would you do it again and why? Always you want to take it with a grain of salt, but I think that's an interesting question to ask to see kind of what inspired them to pursue the career, and was the financial investment worth it? Was the time investment worth it? And just listen to their opinion.